Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to merge the cell in your Microsoft Excel web on the computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to merge the cell on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer, just going to show in this video. So first of all, for an example, here I just want to merge this two thing. So select the cells that you just need to merge. Now you will see an option on the alignment section called merge and center. Click on this and here you will see option called merge cell and merge cross and merge and center. So you just click this, so it will be merge and center. You can see it's the text is from the center. So the merge cross will be just click on this arrow section and you can see it's the merge cross. So it will be typed from the beginning of the text. You can see the difference between the merge center and merge cross. Okay. So another thing, you can just actually a normal merge center. So which will merge cell. For an example, just want to merge this cell. So click on this and merge cell. You can see that every cell has been merged. This is how you just use this merge cell option on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. I think this video helped you. Not like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.